Ladies and gentlemen, the medal ceremony for the women's kayak individual sprint. The medals will be presented by ICF board member Mr. Andrei Jelens. Third place and the bronze medalist, третье место и бронзовая медаль, Masha Simončić, Slovenia. Second place and the silver medalist, secondo posto e medaglia d'argento per l'Italia, Cecilia Leonori. First place, the gold medalist and the world champion. Prvo mesto, zlata medalja i svetovna prvakinja za Sloveniju, Hanna Bedernjak. Ladies